Hey hookers, Christy back from Inspired by a Smile. I wanted to show you a quick way and my way of doing the magic ring because I don't do it the original way. I find this easier and what I've been shown when I first started crocheting. So you want to make a chain of 4. If you need it bigger, you can go up to a 5, especially for some granny squares. I find it can be easier to do a chain of 5, but for most projects I do chain 4. And I'll show you how to do it a couple times here. So chain 4, and then join at the end with a slip stitch. Awesome. Also guys, if you can, like the video, it's much appreciated. So that is how you do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it again. So chain 4. Also make sure you are subscribed to my channel with notifications on, and if you're watching from Facebook, make sure you're following me there. I thought I'd add that in, even though it's a short video. So again, slip stitch, and now when you go into the circle, I always do a chain 1, and then you go right into the middle, and then crochet over the little piece of yarn so you can pull tight at the end. Don't mind me, sorry. I'm pretty sure my daughter was shaking my camera at this point. I do my voiceover after the video, and I'm pretty sure that the earthquake looking effect was from my daughter. So see, you just keep going like that and do as many stitches as you need to into the circle, and when you're done, like I said, you just pull the little piece of yarn tight so that your circle is closed. Alright. Awesome. So one more time here, just so I know that you guys got it. So I'm just going to chain 4 again. I had this video already on here, but it was dark, plus I said something wrong in it, so I wanted to make sure I correct it, so you guys have the correct information. Awesome. So again, you're going to go with a slip stitch, and then chain 1 when you're done, and then you keep going. Awesome job, guys. Yay!